Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making chicken tenders and spicy french fries. So here I have the chicken, which I soaked in buttermilk overnight. And now I'm gonna drain out some of the buttermilk. Here are all of my seasoning. I have Cajun seasoning, chili pepper, Old Bay seasoning, garlic plus, garlic powder, onion powder, roasted garlic, chicken seasoning, black pepper, pimento and herb, and green all-purpose seasoning. And I'm gonna add this to my chicken. I'm gonna give that a mix. And I'm gonna cover this and leave it for 1 hour. For the fries, we have all-purpose seasoning, Cajun seasoning, red chili powder, sriracha, black pepper, and garlic plus. Now I'm gonna bread the chicken tenders. First I will start with the breadcrumbs, and then I will coat them with the panko. And I'll continue doing this until I'm all done. Now I'm gonna start frying the chicken tenders. These are almost done. These are done. Put in the next batch. These are done. Now for the last batch. These are done. We're going to start to fry the french fries. The french fries is done. Nice and golden brown. These are done. This is the last batch. The last batch is done now. Here is my chicken tenders with spicy french fries, ketchup, pepper sauce, and plum sauce, and a cold glass of passion fruit drink. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.